Hi, so today we're actually going to talk about tires and what are the best tires out there in the market for electric bikes. So there's really top 5 tires, the premium tires in the electric bike business. Really it's Kenda, number 5 about, Maxxis 4, Schwalbe 3, and then Continental, and one of the sort of surprises I'd like to talk to you about today. But I wanted to prove the point. So let's take Kenda out the way because that's sort of the bottom of the pile. The next the next 2 tires which are actually sort of really in the running are the Maxxis tire and the Schwalbe tire. Both manufacturers claim puncture resistance. Both are trying to be sort of top tier bicycle tires. So I thought, you know what we're going to do today, and I'm going to do it here today with Connor, one of our engineers here at Electric Bike Company. And we're going to cut open the tire and see, are these guys telling the truth? Do these tires actually have puncture resistant technology in them? And how good are they? How good is that? So let's start in fact with the Schwalbe tire. So I've got a pair of pliers over here. It's going to be a little tricky to get through the steel piece. So if you look there, this is a Schwalbe puncture resistant technology. Inside there is a thin layer that is where you ride mostly, and that's the puncture resistant. And then they've of course got their rubber on there. So I'm going to ask Connor to measure, and if you can pan in onto that number and measure the thickness of that actual puncture resistance that they talk about there. Yeah, so you can close that up. It's just, yeah. So it's about 4.71. Okay, so that is Schwalbe. Very good make. The next one is Maxxis. So Maxxis is also a really good tire. It's e-bike approved. It's got silk shield protection on here. It's EU approved. So let's have a look at this guy. So we'll cut down here again. So here it's just sort of like, it's more of a sort of material, I suppose, than it is a protection, and then it's the rubber. So let's have a look at that, the thickness of that puncture protection where you mostly ride. 4.8, 4.9. So not too bad, maybe a little bit better than the Schwalbe. Now we've got our 2 sort of leaders in the market. One is Continental, and this one sort of stands head and shoulders above all these others. But that's what you can feel it, but with your hand, that there's quite a bit of material inside there. But what is it? So let's take a look. So this is the Continental E50, which means it's 50 kilometers EU approved e-bike tire. But you can clearly see that there's a significant amount of puncture resistance in this tire. So they're not just talking a big game, it is actually, and you can actually feel it. But let's take also a measurement and then put it on the middle. So
9.43.
9.43. So clearly the Continental E50 is head and shoulders above everything else. Those other ones are really good, really quality e-bike tires, but the Continental is something else. Now, what we've done here at Electric Bike Company is also developed our own tire for our Model R, which is really a hybrid between on-road and off-road. So there, of course, weight is a big factor when you're coming to puncture resistance, but also you want to make sure, ideally, you don't get a puncture. So let's take a look at this tire. This is something we spent a lot of time developing. We've actually personalized the tire. It's got the reflective sidewalls, but this is for the Model R, which is going to be released shortly. So let's take a look at this tire. So we actually call this the Rhino. This is our Rhino series, and we really like it with its robust, puncture resistance, and some of our own technology in there. And there again you can see it's got some really nice puncture resistance, but also what's important is it's over a wide area here, so where you're going to be spending about 99% of your riding, sometimes on the sides, but you're going to send there. And also it's got a lot of tread, so it's going to last a long time. So let's also measure the thickness of that tire.
0.5.
Yeah, so let's say 9.5. So basically this tire, which we've been developing for a long time, is very similar to the highly regarded, and which we feel is overall the market leader in tires, the Continental. These guys are pros, and our Electric Bike Company tire just really up to that kind of standard. Not to mention, or not to discard, the rest of the tires that are out there, which are basically the next best, Maxxis and Schwalbe. There's not really any comparison to the quality of Continental and the Electric Bike Company Model R hybrid tire. So I hope that helps everybody answer their questions about quality of tires. If you have any comments, comment below or go to electricbikecompany.com and we'll answer your questions. See you next time.